question number 15 on the STAAR test. It says a set designer for a play painted some background scenery on a large piece of plywood. He used 13-foot long pole to hold the piece of plywood upright as shown in the diagram below. What was the total height in the feet the piece of plywood? Okay, so this answer needs to be exact. You're going to put in the bubble sheet. Now, it has 13, 5, and 2. Now these numbers are going to all be used. You want to know what h is in this case. Okay, so basically this will play a role, but I will wait until later. You're going to do first thing you notice if you memorize some of these, if you're just looking at this part, not the whole length. This is a 5, 12, 13 Pythagorean Theorem problem. So basically means that A is going to be 5, B should always be 12, and C should be 13. This is one you can memorize if you want. But what we're going to do is we're going to set it up. We're going to do C squared, because this is our C, minus B squared square root equals, let's say that's our A squared. Now you're going to plug in, you're going to do exactly what it says. You're going to do 13 squared minus 5 squared, and then square root that, and you should get an answer of 12. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add this 2 to it, because it wants to know the full length. It doesn't want to just know what's here, it wants to know all the way up. Okay, so all the way up there. So 12 plus 2 equals 14. Okay, so they added just a little bit. It was a basic Pythagorean theorem problem, but they added that little bit of number of 2 up there, which made it 14. Okay, and you need to, when you put it in your test, you're going to put the 14, fill it in like, oh, I guess it's more like this. It's like a T-chart they'll give you, and you're going to put in the 1, the 4, so fill in the 1 and the 4, and then it's going to be like maybe a dot if you want, and you can put 0.0 if you want, or you can just put 14. Doesn't matter. Okay? Alright, good job.